Every year, Shaun celebrates his birthday a little differently. No parties, no fancy dinners, just a simple idea to give something back to the ocean that gives us so much. This is Shaun's birthday beach clean, a 5-star marine tradition that brings together friends, families, partners, and our community. The day started at Phuket Boat Lagoon, where over 100 volunteers gathered at the 5-star marine office. Gloves, bags, and good vibes, all ready to go. Our fleet of 5-star boats set across calm waters, searching for a beach in need of a little love. And in true island style, fate had a sense of humour. We found ourselves in a place literally called Plastic Beach on Koh Lone. That's right, Plastic Beach. What started as just a name soon became a challenge. Bottles, fishing nets, shoes, plastic bags, lighters, polystyrene, condoms. Condoms, good for some things, bad for the environment. You name it, it was there. But with every piece of rubbish collected, the beach began to breathe again. Sure, that's a great Prodigy song, Breathe Again. Anyway, volunteers of all ages, from local families to corporate teams, and our very own 5-star crew worked side by side under the very hot Phuket sun. It wasn't glamorous and it wasn't easy, but it was powerful. That's the sun and the beach clean. I can tell you it was the sun because if you look at Shaun's face after the day, he was a little bit red. Sun cream, Shaun. Sun cream. Now remember, this wasn't just about cleaning the beach. It was about showing what happens when people come together. And by the end of the day, we'd filled an entire 5-star boat with trash. A full boat of plastic, bottles, nets, and waste that will no longer pollute our ocean. And as we look back at the beach, clean, clear, beautiful once more, we couldn't help but smile. Plastic beach? Not anymore, just beach. That's right. So a huge thank you to our friends at BDO who sent their staff to join the beach cleanup, and to Phuket Boat Lagoon who ensured that every single bag of trash was properly sorted and disposed of. And of course, thank you to the 5-star marine team. You showed up and you got your hands dirty. You proved once again that this crew isn't just about tours and travel. We're about responsibility, family, and community. And to everyone who joined us, thank you so much. You didn't just make a difference, you became the difference. It's a great line, that. Great line. Shaun's birthday beach clean isn't just an event, it's a reminder that change doesn't start with governments or grand speeches. It starts with people, with families, with communities like ours. Each bag filled, each bottle picked up, it all adds up. And together, we're protecting the ocean that gives us life, work, and joy. So, until next year's cleanup, keep caring, keep exploring, and keep loving our ocean. This is 5-Star Marine. This is Shaun's birthday beach bash cleanup. And this is how we celebrate the 5-star way.